Welcome, this is Jake with Genesis Rage, and in this video we'll be going over how to send and receive a public message using SmartFox. To be able to format the output a little cleaner, I'm going to add a using statement here, and this is going to be using sfs2x.entities. I'll explain that a little more when we get into the handler method. Now we can only send a public message after we've joined a room, so we're going to scroll down here to our onJoinRoom method, and at the end here we're going to add in a new request. And that one is going to be sfs.send, and we're going to send a new public message request, and here we're going to send out the infamous hello world. And that's all we need to send a public message, but to receive it we're going to have to add a new handler. So we're just going to come down here, add in another. We'll call this one void on public message, and it takes in a base event. Now the using statement we added above gives us access to a couple data types, and the first one we're going to use here is called room. We're going to call the variable room. Now this needs to be typecast into room, and what we're going to typecast is e.params, and we're going to grab the parameter of room. The next one we're going to be using is user. I'm going to call this one sender. Also typecast this into a user. And here we're going to grab e.params, and we're going to grab the sender. Now that we have both of those in place, we're going to actually log that out. So we'll go debug.log, and here I'm going to add a left bracket. We're going to add in the room.name. Add in some more stuff here just to make it a little cleaner to look at. And then here we're going to grab the sender.name. Add in some more stuff here. And then finally we're going to add in e.params, and here we're going to actually grab the message. Now that we have the handler in place, we're going to come up to our start method, and we'll add the listener. So here's sfs.addEventListener, and here is sfs.event.publicMessage. And we're going to send that to our onPublicMessage method. So that's all we need here. So we'll save out the file and switch over into Unity and go ahead and hit play. You can see here it looks just like we did before, but here it says lobby, which is the name of the room we're in, guest number 0, and then our message of hello world. Now I actually have this running on another computer with a couple different variables changed. I'm going to go ahead and hit play on that one as well. And that loads up. You see this message just popped up. Again, lobby. The username I actually called it world, and it says why hello to you as well. So that will wrap up this video, and thanks for watching.